You are driving a train, and there are 2 possible tracks to drive on.
Hang on. Because Feeney is you. I am the first one to lift you up and celebrate your incredible sound effect.
Yeah.
That
Not a great chain.
My mouth was dry.
Not a great train.
I was trying to provide a bed.
Now that's a good train impression. There's a girl that can do that on TikTok. She can like make that sound. Like the what? Dude, can we look this girl up really quickly? There's a girl who can do it again.
Do it again.
Do it
Try
again. She go like
Do it again.
if I'll pass out.
Hey,
Do
we're
it.
in a chair.
I dare you. Pass out.
You couldn't sound less like a train.